everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Nayantara and as the title of the video suggests, today I am going to review this product right here. This is Cureveda Glow Collagen Powder. My experience with this collagen powder has been so intense. It has been a journey since the day I started to the very end. So for the purpose of this video, I decided to shoot like a small clip every other week while I was taking this collagen. So I will be showing you guys that part of the video in just a second. But before that, I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit specifications about this product. So I bought this off Amazon. It was around $13.95, so 1400 rupees for 300 grams of product. So it says on the packaging that this Cureveda Glow Collagen Synthesis helps in skin radiance, skin hydration, UV protection, and it's veg protein. This product claims so much, and honestly it's marketed so well. I was so curious to try this out because it is veg protein like it said, and I thought if this is a good collagen, then this is like amazing, because in India there's so many people who are vegetarian and who cannot take regular collagen because it is an animal product. I decided to give it a shot. I will not be reading everything on the packaging because there's a lot of information. I suggest you guys go on the link and check it out for yourself, because if I start reading, it will take me another like 15 minutes just to cover everything. So I'm gonna not go into that, but now let's get into the real part of this video. Check out my journey while I was taking this collagen. Hi everybody, so today is 12th of September, which makes it a week since I started taking this vegetarian collagen. Now I just wanted to show you my face because I totally forgot to take like right before I started taking this collagen, which I know it's my bad, but I just wanted to give you an update. I have a lot of past scarring because of my periods this month. Don't mind my puffy eyes because sometimes you sleep on time and sometimes you're up till 5 a.m. watching K-dramas. So anyways, I feel like 1 week is not enough time to give you a good update because it will take longer to show a lot of changes, but like instantly I figured out two things about this collagen. The first is the color. Yeah, it is this like murky pinkish color, and the second thing is the taste and smell of this collagen. It smells and tastes like roses and sandalwood but dialed down, which I really like, because a lot of times in collagen, which are like animal products, you do have this funky taste and smell even though they are unflavored. So it's best to have them with milkshake, but this one just like I mix it with water and it's perfect. It doesn't feel like I'm having like a supplement. So that is a great thing about this collagen, which I instantly noticed. So I thought I should share that with you guys, and yeah, I'll give you like a better update about this collagen next week because it does take longer to show results and I want to give it that time to be fair, you know. So yeah, that's this week's update and I'll see you guys next time. Hi everybody, so this is my week 2 and 3 update. I'm sorry I couldn't film a separate week 2 video because I was really busy, but as you can see, my skin is not doing that great. I have texture all over my forehead, this part of my cheeks. I have new pimples coming out and it is not fun. It is not fun at all, and I was really upset. I was like, what have I done to my skin? Is it really because of this collagen supplement or is it something else? So I was thinking, what could it be? Have I changed my skincare routine? No. Have I changed my diet? Nope. Am I about to get my periods? Nope. I'm quite upset that maybe this supplement is not suiting me, or it's just like, you know, I understand when
a supplement takes longer to work on your skin, but at least don't make my skin worse than what it was. So yeah, it's not a fun look at all. Let's see, I still have so much product left, and I'm not going to just stop taking the supplement because that would not be a fair review. I want to take it and just see how it goes. There's still like a few weeks worth of products still left, and yeah, I'm gonna continue, but keep on watching to see if my skin clears up or not. Hello everybody, so this is my 4th and 5th week update. Welcome back to my car. I was just on my way to work and I thought I'll quickly record this video. There was some change in plan from the last update video you saw. I got really busy with work, so I completely forgot to take collagen for 4 or 5 days, and after that I realized my skin has started doing much better. So instead of continuing, I thought I'll take a break and see what happens. And after 2 weeks, excuse me, I realized my skin has started doing much better, but I still have a few active pimples, like almost active pimples on my forehead. They are also going down, but they're still there. But I'm going to start it again just because I spent so much money on it and I just don't want to waste it. So let's see what happens. I will keep you guys updated. I'm off to work now and I'll see you guys in the next update video. Hi guys, welcome back to, I think, the last update video that I'm gonna do. I've been on collagen for another 3 weeks now, and I have a lot of pimples on my forehead. As you can see, this shit is just getting crazy. I know I've been focusing a lot on just pimples, and that is because the other benefits of this collagen I personally did not see. Of course, it can be because I was on it and then I went off and then I started it again. There was a lot of breaks in between, but yeah, overall not very satisfied, and I'm surprised that I invested myself to continue doing this even though the first 2 weeks were so bad and my skin is just like, it's worse than when I had started it. So it's definitely not worked for me. But yeah, just wanted to let you know that this will be my last weekly or like 3-4 week combined vloggy. I don't know what to call this, like weekly update. It's not weekly, well, whatever this is. I will now wind up this video. So
guys, the videos you just saw sums up my whole experience while taking this collagen. A moment of silence for my perfectly healthy, perfectly clear skin before I started taking this collagen, and I'm gutted that this collagen did not suit me. And I have to be honest with you guys, it just completely left my skin 10 times worse than what my skin was at the beginning. Before I start my rant, let's see some of the good points about this collagen. The first thing is the smell. It doesn't smell funky or nasty at all. So if you are someone who has an aversion towards bad smelling collagen, I think this one has done a good job at masking that funky smell. The other thing is that this tastes like a rose sandalwood sort of concoction. It's not very overpowering, but you can still taste it. However, now let's just dive right into what I don't like about this collagen. So let's start with the texture. The texture of it is quite grainy. My mom tried it once. The first and the last time she tried, she did not enjoy the texture. She said it tasted like she's drinking mitti. It was so grainy and like sandy, and I, on the other hand, was willing to look past it. If a product is effective, I can sort of like ignore such things, but it may be a big thing for some people. Second thing I did not enjoy, of course, was the effects it had on me. Now that you guys have seen the clips, you know that it was a fail in my case. For the last 1 year, 1.5 years, my skin has been doing so good. I've been taking good care of my skin, and I've had sort of an even clear skin. And I've had acne prone skin before that, and I had to work so hard to get my skin to where it was. And then I started taking this collagen, and within 2 weeks I started breaking out like crazy. And I know for a fact that I'm not going to buy it again. In fact, I always make sure that whatever product I buy, I finish it, because I've spent money on it. I might as well get the full use out of that product. However, this one I had to stop because it just wasn't working for me. If you guys have tried it and it has worked for you, let me know in the comments if I did something wrong, or if I had to take it differently, or something which is, maybe I'm missing out something. So let me know what your experience was. As far as I'm concerned, I am not a big fan of this collagen. I'm gonna stick to my old school collagens for now on. I am planning to try marine collagen next time, which I'm very excited about. I have tried it once before, many years ago, and I had some really good results. So this time I can try it, and I'll of course let you guys know what my experience was. So to sum it up, I will not recommend it to anybody, especially if you have acne prone skin like I do, where you can easily flare up, which is very sad. I really wanted to try this and like it, because come on, it's a veg collagen which can honestly in India can do so well. I wanted to give it to my mom if it worked out there, because she's a vegetarian, but unfortunately it's just not up to the mark, and I would recommend you guys not to waste your money. Just keep it in your bag, just keep it with yourself and not spend it on this collagen. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel if you want to, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.